everyone, we're going to find the area of the region enclosed by x equals tan squared of y and x equals negative tan squared of y. And we're going from negative pi divided by 4 to pi divided by 4. So we're going to use the fact that the region has symmetry. So instead of going from negative pi divided by 4 to pi divided by 4, I'm going to go from 0 to pi divided by 4 and just multiply it by 2 because of the symmetry. So let's do that. We're going to have 2 and 0 pi divided by 4. And then you take your tan squared of y minus the negative tan squared of y dy. Now this is going to be a plus. Whoops. So let's put plus. That means we have 2 tan squared of y. So I can pull this 2 out and multiply it by this 2, and we'll get 4. The integral from 0 to pi divided by 4 of tan squared of y dy. Now, let's go ahead and integrate this. You might already know the formula for it, but let's do a refresher. So we have 4 integral 0 to pi divided by 4. And we can write this as sine squared of y divided by cosine squared of y dy. All right. So we're going to use the fact that sine squared of y equals 1 minus cosine squared of y. So this is going to give me the integral 4 times the integral 0 to pi divided by 4 of 1 minus cosine squared of x. And I'm going to go ahead and, not x, it's y. And I'm going to divide each piece by cosine squared of y, cosine squared of y, dy. So I'm going to move on to the next slide, but this is going to equal 1, and this is going to equal secant squared of y. So let's write that down. We're going to have the integral from, and we had 4 out here, pi divided by 4, and I'm going to have secant squared of y minus 1 dy. Now let's integrate. This is going to be 4 times, and this is going to be tan of y minus, when you integrate that, you get y. We're evaluating this from 0 to pi divided by 4. Therefore, we're going to have 4. Now tan of pi divided by 4 is 1. And then you're going to have minus just pi divided by 4. We don't need to put the 0 in because that's just going to 0 out. When you distribute the 4, you're going to get 4 minus pi. Now, you can leave it like that, or notice that this is approximately 0.858. So approximate solution, exact solution. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.